In traditional PR, storytelling meant long-form articles or formal press releases. But on social media, you've got seconds to spark curiosity, emotion, or action. Visuals play a huge role here. Eye-catching images, short videos, and quick animations grab attention in a feed that scrolls fast. In this lecture, you'll learn how to adapt brand messaging into social-first stories, tailored to platforms like X, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Because viral isn't just lucky, it's often strategic. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to break down what makes a brand story work on social, adapt a message to fit the tone, format, and culture of each platform, write posts that hook attention, drive engagement, and feel human. What makes a story spread? Social platforms reward emotional stories, evoking feelings of humor, pride, outrage, or joy. They prioritize relatable content that connects to everyday experiences. Stories should be clear and concise, making them easy to scan and understand quickly. Most importantly, they must be share-worthy, providing audiences with a reason to repost or tag a friend. Think in moments, not paragraphs. One powerful quote, statistic, or visual can have more impact than 500 words. For example, instead of saying, "We are proud to announce our community scholarship initiative," try, "She's the first in her family to go to college. Our scholarship helped make it happen." Then add a compelling photo and a link for more information. Right for the platform, not just the message. Each social platform has its rhythm and style. Your story should be tailored to fit. X/Twitter. Keep it short, punchy, and bold. Lead with the most compelling point. Use threads to unfold your story step by step. Instagram. Focus on visuals first, paired with captions that tell a mini story or offer a behind-the-scenes glimpse. Ideal for human interest, impact stories, team introductions, or memorable quotes. LinkedIn. Maintain a more formal but personal and value-driven tone. Perfect for stories about careers, impact, or mission-driven work. Use spacing to keep longer posts easy to read. TikTok. Tell stories through sound and visuals. Use voiceovers, subtitles, and an authentic, raw style. Think "this is what happened" rather than "this is what we want to say." Each platform has its rhythm. Your story should match it. Structure of a social story. The three-part hook. Hook. Grab attention. Start with a striking moment, a powerful quote, a compelling question, or an unexpected twist to immediately engage your audience. Message. Deliver the core. Clearly communicate the main value, impact, or takeaway of your story in a concise and meaningful way. Tagline or CTA. What's next? Encourage your audience to take action, whether it's responding, sharing, clicking a link, or joining a cause. Example. A year ago, she couldn't walk without help. Today, she's crossing finish lines. Our adaptive sports program is transforming lives every week. Join us in supporting the next athlete's journey. Link.